Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all network and internet related issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, select general, go down, select a transfer or reset iPhone, then select a reset. From this list we need to select a reset network settings. Enter screen lock password, then select reset network settings. Now reset is in progress. Please wait. This way we can reset network settings and fix all network and internet related issues. For example, network is too slow or we are not getting signal. In those situations you can try this. You can reset network settings. Even if you are facing Wi-Fi or Bluetooth related issues, in those situations also you can reset network settings and fix that issue. Okay, so now phone is starting. Please wait. Okay, phone is ready. Let me log in. This way we can reset network settings and fix all network and internet related issues. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please take it.